Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Navigating treatment options, a consultation between doctor and patient. Imagine you are in a hospital. I'm doctor. You're patient. Let's start. Good morning, Miss Johnson. How have you been feeling since our last appointment? I see. Let's delve into that. Have you noticed any patterns or triggers for this discomfort? It sounds like we should explore potential gastrointestinal issues. I'd like to run some tests to rule out any underlying conditions. I understand your concern, but it's essential we gather all the information to provide an accurate diagnosis. Many conditions are treatable when detected early. We'll start with some blood tests and possibly an endoscopy to examine your upper digestive tract. These procedures will give us a clearer picture of what's going on internally. It's premature to discuss treatment until we have all the test results. However, we'll explore all options, including lifestyle changes, medication, or, if necessary, minimally invasive procedures.
Of course, Miss Johnson. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's get you scheduled for those tests and move forward from there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.